Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys already know you guys are the best, okay? So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Zobo. So it's not something I do often, but once in a while I make Zobo. Yeah, I mean, I think this is the second time I'm making it. And then I'm saying once in a while, but I'm just going to show you guys how I make my healthy Zobo that is very tasty and delicious. So first thing first, I rinse it off because these things sometimes have dirt, not sometimes, but it actually have dirt in it. It's like sand. So make sure you are not rinsing it for too long. Like immediately you pour the water in, just start grabbing them out of it so that it will not remove all the nutrients from the leaf. So this is zobo leaf, they call it hibiscus. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I do. I rinse it, and I'm actually, you guys are going to see the date I'm talking about. Why it's important to rinse it before you just go over to start making your zobo. I mean, I know some people that do it without rinsing. Even there was a time we made it at home and we didn't rinse it, but I learned that it's important to rinse it. So this is one of the reasons why you should rinse it. You guys can see the sand below there, so you can see that it's really important to rinse it when you are making your this thing. So we'll be using a pineapple and the pineapple back as well. I actually got this pineapple, very small pineapple, for 800 naira. So I love ginger a lot, so I'm using ginger and clove, and this is the sweetener I'll be using for this. You can see that the recipes are actually very simple, no stress. Just pour your zobo leaf into your pot, and then every other thing that you'll be adding to it. So for me, I'm adding the back of my pineapple, and I'm also adding the pineapple itself and the clove and ginger that I'm going to be using. Then I add water to it. Make sure that the water is covering everything, like the water is covering it. It's actually going to, you're going to see what I'm talking about. So if you are new to the channel and you're yet to subscribe, please support this baby girl by hitting that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. So this is what I'm saying: you add water and make sure that the water is covering every single thing that you want to make, and then you cover your pot and leave it for some minutes before you go to the next process. So this is me. I actually use my turning stick to turn it a bit before I filtered it. So after filtering, I mix my sweetener that I'll be using. So this is the sweetener that I'll be using. So it's not, if you want to add sugar to it, you can add sugar or not. It depends on what you want. So I mixed my sweetener and added it to the zobo, and then I mix it. So if you still want to add water to it, just for the kind of consistency you want, you can still add water to it, because this mine is looking very very thick. So I added a little bit of water, and then when you're done, you store it in a fridge, and yeah, you can enjoy your zobo. And this is what we have. Just put your straw there and sip it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video.